Hindi po. Hello guys, so we are going to show you tandem breastfeeding and how it helps us to save breast milk. So earlier we had already our tandem breastfeeding, but I asked my toddler to tie her hair because our newborn little one is being annoyed by Ate's hair, by her big sister's hair. Careful, be careful not to touch her legs. You pause first, you pause. Yan ang pause. Uy, wag mo mag-ano, makuhulog.
Yung high heels mo, dapat kita kong nasa harap para
So she knows how to massage the breast so that
it's
she'll get
challenging
more
kasi upbeat. Hesitant kami
and
sa
not
song until
just-
Aki said
and not
na,
just
no, this
the-
is like a chance for us to show our
the
crazy side.
flowing or the
wanted them to come up with
overflowing.
just a feel-good
Because,
song. Pag
well,
napanood mo
this
sila,
newborn
mapapatayo
is
at tayo ka na.
sucking or drinking the milk, the breast milk. It's not actually drinking, but sucking, yeah, getting the breast milk.
After
The other breast is flowing with breast milk as well. So to make no waste, we tried earlier to catch the breast milk with the glass. But she doesn't like it that
we are
way.
confident na matatalo kami sa lahat. But at the same time, yung pressure
She
and
wants it
parang hindi kami
more
complacent.
natural.
So we always like
So that's it.
Diba sa akin yung nagkakarate? Kaya sumibitin, yeah!
So we're covering because it's not in our culture to show the breast while doing this. Maybe sometimes you see, but it's just a glimpse or a
in a
short
short period of time,
part
we're
of the
happy
video.
na positive pa rin yung comments nila.
We are sorority and we are so ready.
So much I also make sure that when we are breastfeeding, she is still breathing. So, coconut juice or water. tastes like coconut.
I also tasted it yesterday, guys, and it's fatty. So the composition of the breast milk will be discussed in a different blog or different video, or you can actually search in other YouTube channels. But for us, we will do some, research first to give you more details on the composition of breast milk, especially for tandem breastfeeding. There are few research about or studies about tandem breastfeeding. We call it TBF, yeah. But the nutrients that this toddler and newborn are getting are still good. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Please stay wholesome, especially in your comments. Bye. Thank you.